200 plus on the digital dash. 200K, that's in physical cash. Stop all the hate with your miserable ass. Got me your shorty, your physical bag.
Hey guys, Zeb Productions here, and in this video I'm taking a look at the Walther PPQ by Umarex T4E. This is a .43 caliber paintball training gun marker that was $180 on Amazon, and the link is down in the description below. Inside we have a replacement spring for the magazine. There's a little tool if there's any jams. And an instruction manual. Warning information on the front and registration on the back. Safety manual goes over safety instructions, description, operation, and care. It comes in this carrying case, no actual box, and it's lined with foam. I couldn't actually get it open because it was zip tied. I managed to sneak out the gun somehow. On the box it says made in Taiwan, black CO2 training marker, .43 caliber. Here's your warnings and cancer and reproductive harm warning. And it goes without saying, but don't brandish the gun in public because it looks just like the real thing. And by far, hands down, this is one of the best air guns I've ever held. This is my first ever paintball gun, and it just is absolutely amazing. From the grip, to the slide, to the build quality, everything. Sights, trigger. As you can see, it has a yellowish orange tint on the sights. They look very, very nice. Here's your slide catch, which is ambidextrous, as you can see. On the right side of the gun, there's some warnings. And here's the 8-round magazine that holds .43 caliber paintballs. In the back, that's where the CO2 goes. As you can see, that's the green piercer up top. You just take an Allen key and unscrew that. On the side it says T4E cal .43. And T4E is like Umarex's Training for Engagement series, which is so far only paintball guns from what I've seen. And here's the trigger. It has the Glock style safety. That's the only safety this gun has, only a trigger safety. And the trigger just feels absolutely amazing. Better than a Glock's trigger, that's for sure. And yeah, everything about this gun just feels nice. Definitely worth the $180 price tag. Really premium, that's for sure. I did not get to shoot it, and I don't really have any paintballs. But this is definitely a really cool gun. It also comes in 3 different colorways. Blue and tan, and then black. Here's the Glock 19X for comparison. As you can see, they're similarly sized guns. The Walther is slightly bigger, but you can barely notice the difference. Here are the triggers. They both have the same style trigger safeties. And between the Glock and this, even though they're not in the same league, I would prefer this for sure. It feels much higher quality. And as you can see through the slide chamber. This magazine is kind of weird to get in. You have to get it in a certain angle, otherwise it just gets stuck. Here's at the inside of the barrel. The pistol grip has a really nice and fascinating texture on it. It works, and it's absolutely amazing. I love it. And at last, here's the tool for jams. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this gun. Have a great day.